Chicken nuggets.
Just focus on putting your foot on top and then do it slow. Do it slower first and then you do it faster. So hop. Hop with it. You gotta hop. Good job, Dave. I guess we're gonna have to call him Dave. So your name's Dave out here, okay?
Hello family and friends, my name is Janelle and I'm back with another video. And today you guys, I'm going to be sharing the fire cider recipe. So those of you who do not know what fire cider is, it is basically a natural version of medicine. So people usually make this around this time of the year, going into the winter season, holiday season, where we start to get the virus and the cold and flu season. This tends to help. It's good to take this before you get sick, but you can also take it while you're sick. So this basically is filled with a bunch of things from our Mother Earth. This fire cider was actually created by a woman named Rosemary Gladstar, and it was told to be created by her back in the 70s. So people have just took on this recipe and made it their own for their own home. So what I have here is a version that I saw that I really liked, which is a version with onions, we have garlic, we have ginger, we have black pepper, we have cloves, we have jalapenos, we have citruses like orange, lime, lemons. We also have a replacement of horseradish, and we have daikon, which is also a sort of radish root. We have our cinnamon, we have our hibiscus flowers. We also have a bunch of herbs here. We have thyme, we have mint, we have rosemary, we have sage, we have basil. And these are all things that are just so good for your immune system, for your digestive system, for your anti-inflammatory. It helps with so many things. This concoction really helps with the sore throat, sinus, helps with like stomach ache and headache and things like that. All the things that come with basically a flu or a virus. So, or just a regular cold. So what we usually do is we take all of this goodness and we place it inside of a jar. We literally stuff everything inside of a jar. Usually a big one is recommended. A bigger one than this is recommended. I do not have one, so I just grab what I have on hand at the time. I have two, and it basically will fill out as a big one, but you do what you choose. And I don't know if I put it in here already, but of course we have some apple cider vinegar, and we have the one with the mother. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna create a concoction here with our great things that are going to just be so good for the immune system. Okay? guys, so we are all done. This is the finished results. So we have 2 really good cider vinegars. So what I do want to say is this one is the one that received everything, okay? And this is basically the one that I just made when it couldn't fit in here. Okay, like I said, I would recommend getting a huge jar so that you don't have to do this. This took 2 glasses of apple cider vinegar. Basically 2, because this one didn't fill up all the way. So I had basically 1.5 because this one was not filled all the way. This one was. So you may want to get you 2 bottles of apple cider vinegar. So you guys, this is the finished result. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it sit for a while, let it marinate, and then you can either strain it and put it in the jar without all the ingredients inside, so that is just the liquid, or you can leave it as it is and literally just take your spoon from there. Either way is fine, but I do think if you plan on having this for a very, very long time, because it does last, I don't want to put a number on it, but it does last for a good while, I would say to strain it so that the herbs and the fruits and everything are not just sitting in here. So that is what I would recommend. Also, you guys, if you are not using organic products, I would suggest to cut the peels off before you put it inside. If you plan on giving it to children, I would recommend the children version of the apple cider vinegar. I would recommend the children version of the cider vinegar because this may be too strong for them. You know what your child can take, but I do think this is the adult version, teenage version, but not children, not little children. Yeah, so you can also ask your doctor or anything like that of what is okay to give the children if you're unsure. I'm not a doctor. I'm literally just someone on the internet experimenting with things, and I have experimented with most of these things, so my body will take it well, but you should know yours. So either experiment on your own if you like, or speak to a professional. But yeah, you guys, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching. If you decide that this is interesting for you and you want to go ahead and try it, then yeah, go ahead and give it a try. It doesn't hurt to try. If you want to see what Mother Earth can do for you, then yeah, I would definitely recommend go ahead and try these things out, okay? So thank you guys for watching.
Never